So hey friends, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing a hair mask which will detoxify your scalp, it will remove dandruff and it will promote hair growth. So yeah, let's get started. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. For the measurement, I have taken this spoon. This is a usual soup spoon. For this hair mask, you need 2 spoons of activated charcoal, 4 spoons of honey, 2 spoons of olive oil, and half a spoon of coffee. So I've applied the mask. Now you have to wait for 30 minutes before washing it. So yeah, I'll see you after 30 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. So can you tell how shiny my hair became? And it is dandruff free as well. So yeah, that was the final result. I really hope that you liked the video. Please try this at home and do let me know in the comments. So I see you next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.